Alright, so we're going to get some content on the page, and we're going to have a certain word within that content to be a certain color. So this is fairly straightforward, should be pretty simple. I'm going to probably move pretty quickly here, but you should be able to follow along. So here we have a basic page. I'm just going to go ahead and add some content to it. Let's go ahead and instead of adding a normal text box, we're actually going to add a code block. By default, it's going to give you a really simple p tag. We're going to add some more items like an h1. So let's do an h1. Okay. Alright, pretty straightforward. Okay, so we are going to make the word title be a certain color. So here we're going to add actually a span tag. Alright. And since it automatically closed, we're going to retype title and remove the original. Alright, so now that we have a span tag created, that's something we can grab a hold of within some custom CSS, but we need to actually set a class to this so we could grab a hold of it even easier. So we have a class. For naming class, like class names, it's kind of up to your discretion. I'm just going to name it something that I can remember that won't easily be used by anyone else. Okay, let's name it title color blue because we're going to have this class actually change the color of that title to be blue. So let's just highlight that so then and copy that so we do remember it. Go ahead and hit apply. Let's move this original text box down here. Okay, so there's our code block. Again, it's standard HTML. It's pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and hit save. All right, now we're going to go back, go over to design, go over to custom CSS, and we're going to start with a period, which is a class, paste the class title, the class name, open brackets, hit return, color, and for simple CSS, we're just going to call it blue. Obviously, you can put a hashtag and put in your hex color, but obviously, as you can see right there, the title is blue, and there you go.